Hey fans, today we're here with local member Rob DeSpain with his 07 common rail pulling his 28-foot Nordic. Rob's 2007 5.9 is running our DPS 6271 VGT Turbonator over an S475 compound kit.
The fueling's just all stock, nothing's been done to it. The only thing I've done to it is it's got an edge with attitude.
Oh, we should have cleaned that pipe. See, it's dirty. All I know is it's freaking amazing.
The compounds, my biggest regret is I should have done it a long time ago, because it allows you to be in the throttle, uphill, doing whatever, towing, because the EGTs are so much lower, and you can just utilize everything you got. I tow a lot of things with this. I tow dump trailers, I tow my boat, flatbed trailers. This thing is used a lot, and it, like I said before, the EGTs being so low, going across the flats, you know, you can have a skid steer or a mini X or anything on, and you can still just hammer down and go as fast as you want. And when I'm towing this boat, before, when I had the single on, I would always have to let out because my EGTs would be 14, almost 1500. And then when I switched to the compounds, same hills, same everything, and same speed, even faster because I can stay into it. And at the most I ever get up to is 1050 on the EGTs. It's huge difference. It's just so nice to be able to use the power and not have to back out. The response time and the spool up is real quick, a lot less smoke than the single turbo, and very responsive.
Oh, I love it. It's the best thing ever. Wish I would have done it a long time ago.
If you tow and you want lower EGTs, give us a call.